Welcome to Breaking Down Nigerian Pidgin English. I'm Bafu. Today we will look at some phrases of inspiring people in Nigerian Pidgin English. First, look at phrases to use when somebody is having trouble. These phrases are ways to tell someone to keep trying, kind of encouraging someone. Kak there. Kak there. No give up, oh. No give up, oh. They push and they go. They push and they go. They dig and they go. They dig and they go. Stand gidigba. Stand gidigba. No give up, lie. Come on, fit do am. Come on, you fit do am. No dulling. They strive, they go. Now, let's look at phrases to use when somebody is having difficulties to make a hard decision. I go support you anyhow. I go support you anyhow. I dey behind you gidigba. I dey behind you gidigba. Everything dey your hand. Everything dey your hand. Think am well, oh. Think am well, oh. Some additional phrases to inspire people. You wouldn't use these phrases often in regular conversation, but writing or speeches, they sound very inspirational. Make you follow your dreams. Make you follow your dreams. Make you dey believe in yourself. Make you dey believe in yourself. The sky na your limit. The sky na your limit. Keep inspiring others, folks. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.